guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I am back with a self-care haul part 2. Remember guys, with the previous self-care haul I told you guys I might have a part 2. So in today's video I bought a few things that I couldn't get in the first video. I couldn't get that things at the shop. I was struggling to get it, so I got a few things now. It's not much, so I am going to show you guys what I got and also say hi to, what's this one's name? Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot my own doll's name. This doll's name is Muffin, and that one over there, his name is Mushroom, but unfortunately he's asleep, as you can see, and Muffin is awake. Muffin is always awake, as you can see by the eyes, and shame, Mushroom has been working very hard, so please don't mind him there in the corner. So guys, let's get into this video. First things first. In the first self-care haul, I showed you guys, I think I showed you guys the empty perfume bottle, and this is the new one that I got. It's Arthur Ford, and then I think this is out of a second range, my friend said. I don't know the names and the codes. This one was a bit more pricey. I pay this like every month end, so if I take it and then I pay it month end, and I think this one was $190. Oh, it smells divine. Let me see if I can put it over here. There we go. Also in my previous videos, sometimes I'm too how can I say, I'm too wild at the table, so that's why sometimes you will see that the video just shaking or that. So I'm sorry about that guys. For the second one, let's get to the tablets. I bought some Disprin because my family is always looking for Disprins in this house, and I've got to get red lemons, unfortunately. Let me put it next to me. And then this is the tablets I spoke to you guys about at Grills. I bought the 40 pack. I think it cost me 47 rand for 40 tablets. This is the tablets I take every month when it's time for red robots. I'm sure the girls will know exactly what I'm talking about. That's the tablets I spoke about in the last haul. Then let's get to the soaps. So this, I finally got my face soap. This is the soap. This is the sample that I used, that I showed you guys in the first haul. So I finally got the soap today. I literally had to take a picture for the lady to ask her because I can't pronounce his name. I don't know what's the name. She told me another name today that's not on the box at all, so I don't understand. So this is the soap. Tridum Binonic, I don't know what's the name of the soap. But if you guys have extremely dry skin, especially the face, and if you maybe have eczema and that type of, I don't know if it's a skin disorder, I don't know, sorry guys, I don't know science, but if you're suffering from dry skin, like excessively dry skin or very dry skin, then try this. This cost me 55 rand for a bar soap, but I will only use this on my face. You can use it on your body, but I decided to try this. This is a Clickspring, but it has Echo Cream in it. So basically for me, myself, that I have dry skin and I have eczema as well, I only use the Echo Cream, sorry guys, the Echo Cream cream on my body. So I thought I'm gonna try this Clickspring because they have Echo Cream in the soap. So I'm gonna use it on my body. You get the plain one. I didn't take the plain one, and the reason why I didn't take the plain one because this one have aloe in. And who doesn't like aloe? Like duh. Soothing and calming. So I thought I'm going to try that. Then I got some nose strips, also from Clicks. There is 6. Let me just see if I can show you guys. It's 6 detoxifying charcoal nose strips, activated charcoal, unclogs pores and removes blackheads. So there's 16 years, so basically it will last me a month and 2 weeks because I use one strip every Sunday. And the reason why I use it every Sunday is because my nose will be clean for the week basically. So I already used, I think, 3 strips. Let me just show you guys how it looks inside. This is how it looks inside. And then obviously you need to open this. You need to open it, and then you need to wet your nose and put it on. I'm sure you guys, if you use nose strips, I'm sure you know how to use it. So this is what I'm planning on buying every month, because apparently charcoal is good for ripping things out, something like that. So this is the nose strips I got. And then I also got me some sweeties. I got me more so that I can throw in every bag, college bag, work bag, church bag, because we are officially almost back at church, because we currently now in South Africa where we on level 1. Oh, praise to God, but we're not out of danger yet. And then I got me some iron tablets. Normally I get me the other. I'm not sure if I showed this in my first haul. If I did, then I'm sorry guys. I'm not sure. This is iron tablets that I got. And then I got myself a water bottle. I was looking for a water bottle everywhere. Then today I got it by, I think the shop's name is New Approach. It's like a big Chinese shop. Who doesn't like? We call it Chinese shops. We don't know if it's basically people in South Africa. We call it Chinese shops. Then everybody will know. It's how can I say? I don't even know what's the proper English word, but we call it Chinese shops. That's just the word how we know what shop it is. So it's basically a shops that's a bit cheaper than like pharmacies in that. Anyway, so I finally got me a water bottle because I am using an old Avon serum thingy that I just threw water in. And of course, hairstylist, okay, soon to be hairstylist, but I'm a hair student and I need to have a proper water bottle. As you can see, the scissors and the comb and the stuff on there, then it looks professional. This cost me, the tag is still on there, it cost me 20 rand for this bottle, but it was worth it. So now I'm fine at my bottle. We have 3 items left. I got me this pens, and there's a story behind this pen. It's actually a very sad story. So the shop's name that I got this by, I'll show you guys. It's like a normal grey. It's almost like a sweatpants, but it's a bit tight. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets, and it has this detail here on. And then it's like a little bit of cuff. So with this pens, I saw this pens at Daphne's. That's the shop's name. And then I thought, I think, what is the size? Normally I will either take me a large or extra large, and you don't you dare judge me, because that is my size. And unfortunately I'm so close to going back to a medium. I don't want to be a small or extra small, no. I at least still want fat on my body. But my aim is also to get away from this extra large and large. But the reason why I will take an extra large is when I want my pants to be loose and not tight, because I don't want all my pants to be tight. But with this, the girl told me that this is a very small make, so I have to take an extra large. So I took an extra large. But the thing is, when I bought this pants, I kept this pants, we were still in level 2. Yeah, close to the end of level 2, and then you can't fit it on, and you need to make sure it's your right size because you can't bring it back. I was so upset because I'm thinking, I love this pants, but what if I come at home and it don't fit, because I can't fit it on and I can't take it back. So I thought to myself, if it doesn't fit me, then I'm gonna see to resell it to one of my friends or to my sister, and they might just give me back my money. And this pants cost me 55 rand. Yes, I love cheap stuff. 55 rand, and it's thick, man. Look at the bums. Oh, lovely bums. Anyway, oh, there's a pocket at the back also. So after this video, I'm going to fit this pants on again to see if I maybe lost 1 or 2 kilos, because it fits me, but it's a bit too tight for my liking. I don't want a sweatpants to be that tight, because we are allowed at the salon, I'm allowed to wear white and grey and not only plain black. So luckily my boss is an angel, so I thought I'm gonna buy me something grey, and then I can maybe like on a Friday or something, and then I can just wear it. So after this video, God willing, I lost 1 or 2 kilos, and then it fits and I can put it on my knee. I'm so excited. And also my aim is to get me, I'm going to put some pictures on the screen, to get me either a plain white track pants or a black one, and then I'm going to tie-dye it. I have a few food coloring in my cupboard, and then I also have bleach, so stay tuned for that videos, because I want to do my own DIY tie-dye pants instead of paying 300-400 rand just for a tie-dye pants where I can do it at home. So stay tuned for more. Second last item. Oh my god, I saw this yellow shoes. Look how cute the shoe is. Oh my god, it's so cute. We are actually in spring right now, but I don't know what's wrong with the Cape Town weather. I don't know if it's behaving or if it's just trying to show off, but we are going to October now, our second month of spring, but it's still basically, it still feels like winter. So I don't know, I don't understand what's going on. Anyway, so finally when the weather stops showing off and then it's spring, then I can wear my shoes. And the thing is, I can obviously wear it when I go out to the movie, shopping or whatever, when I go out with my friends, and I can also wear it at the salon, maybe on a Friday, because as long as I have on plain black maybe, and then I can wear this, because I don't think my boss will mind the yellow shoe. Look how cute it is. Now my thing is this, no? I have a size 3 foot. Sometimes my feet can fit in a size 2. Sometimes my shoes is from the kiddies, which is cute and all, because, but the only disadvantages is that I have my foot, I hate the shape of my foot. I have a very thick foot, short foot, and small toes. So basically my size is a size 3, but my feet will fit on it properly, perfectly, but then it will be too tight in front because of the size or the shape of my foot, and that's not just a disadvantage of my foot. And I pray to God, I just hope the Lord hears me deep in my thoughts and in my heart. Please don't give my children one day, God willing, no, because I know if I'm gonna have girls, God willing, and they have my foot, they are gonna have the same insecurities that I have, and I just hope my children won't be put through that. I think I'm strong enough still to handle that. But anyway, back to the video. So I bought this. It's cute. Oh my god, look how cute this shoe is. So I took a size 4 due to that reason, so that my foot can go in front. It has this shaping at the back. Oh my god, it's cute. Then, oh, I'm lying to myself. This is the second last one. This is second last. I hope the camera's not moving. Oh my god. The thing is, I think it's lilies. These lilies at the back. Let me just show you. It's a few lilies, and I don't know what is this. What do you call this? I don't know if it's orchids. Awkward. I don't know if it's that, but there's a guy that comes to our shop, and you will always like sell, you will get flowers, and you will sell the flowers like even for 20 rand. So I ran to my wallet to check if I have a 20 rand, and then luckily I got the 20 rand, and so I just took these flowers, because the flowers is not fresh, but it's also not too bad. Like this can literally still last me for a week. So I thought 20 rand for this man's effort, just to freshen up my room. So I told him for the next time, I love yellow, so sunflowers or yellow roses or any yellow flower will do for the next time. So I also got that today. Then oh my god, if you look at the box, obviously I'm sure you guys will put 2 and 2 together. I got me another plain black van, And this is the size. Where do you look for the size? Let me just see. Okay, so this is a size 3. Luckily my foot fits in there. Everything is perfect. I was so excited because I got the shoes in the morning and I have a baby shower soon, so I thought, oh my god, I don't know what to wear, because I have I had an old school black and white van. I'll put it on the screen for those that don't know what that is. And then I sold to my friend because my foot just didn't look nice for me in it, so I sold to my friend, obviously second hand, but I only wore it like twice or thrice. So I sold that shoe and then I took off that money, and so I thought, no, I'm gonna put now. I'll just put extra worth and buy me a new one, because this is my very first van I got. Look at this shame. It's been through the wall. There's holes in it. It's just, look, I thought maybe I can get it maybe to someone that can recreate the shoe. Oh my god, look at this. And the colors are already washing out. And the inside, oh my god, disgusting. So I thought, no, I need a plain black tacky, because I need to buy me more shoes for college and for the salon, so that I don't wear my shoes out so much. So guys, that is the last thing on today's self-care haul part 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is now, let me check what's the time. I think it's almost 7:30 on a Friday evening, and I'm so sorry my energy is not the same. I had a long day, so I thought, no, I'm going to record this video now because I have exams coming up again. It's like the college they are, because COVID just messed everything up. So now they are trying to I think we are done with term 2, so now they're trying to press term 3 and 4, everything. Like, we have 2 months, so basically 2 terms work in this 2 months, and it's very nice to be a student, but when it comes to the studying and exams, it's like your nerves just can't handle it. So anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, on my page Little Rubies, and also on TikTok. I post on TikTok on a daily basis. I think I'm going to make some TikToks now. So guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share all my videos. Until next time.